Booba is waiting for his friend to arrive. Somebody has messy hair.
Booba, what's so funny? Ooh, I really need to brush my hair. Can you hold the mirror for me? Okay. Ugh, it still looks messy. Can you maybe help me braid my hair because I really don't know how to do it? You either? Then what can I do? Let's forget about it. Let's just dance. Dance.
It's fun to dance.
Do you want to dance? Actually, how about I brush your fur? Because it also looks really messy.
I think our friends need to learn how to plait hair.
Booba, wait for me. Ooh, let's look at the pictures to make sure we're doing everything right. Okay, so it says that we have to brush it first. Booba? Okay, now let's start brushing. Okay.
Make sure your hair is smooth and tangle-free. Use a brush or a comb to do this.
Okay, give me the brush. Now we are going to try to braid the hair. Okay, take this. Okay. Now give me this. Now take this. This is really not working out. How about we follow the instructions? Okay, let's try again. Hold this.
Split your hair into 3 strands. 2 in your hands, 1 in the middle. Cross the right strand over the middle so it's now in the center. Then cross the left strand over the new middle.
I feel like it's getting a little bit messy. We have to be more careful.
Keep crossing the side sections over the middle. First the left, then the right, until there is no more hair left to plait.
How about we do the blue one?
Once you've braided your hair to the end, use a hair tie to secure it.
Now, since you know how to braid hair, you can help me with mine. Okay, I'll wait. Wow, is that a cap?
Well, that's one way to hide messy hair.
Now, high five.
Well done. Today we've learned how to plait hair. Let's celebrate with a dance. Bye-bye. See you next time, friends. Booba is waiting for his friend to arrive.
But what's that? Wait. That's not rubbish. I know what it is. Look. This is the rake to loosen the soil. And this, this is the shovel to dig up the soil. Look. And this is the water can to water it. I saw my mom use these in the garden. Oh, and this is the most important thing. Seeds to grow. Huh? Oh, wait.
Where is Booba going?
What's that?
A vase filled with water?
Huh? Booba, that's not how you grow seeds. Wait, stop. Give me that. Booba, let's grow some flowers, okay? Let's go. Okay. Maybe we should take a look at the instruction to make sure we do it right.
Start by choosing a pot. What a nice tune you're making.
We'll plant some seeds and watch them grow. And will they flower? We do not know.
That was fun.
Thank you very much. I think this is the great part, Booba. Yes, we'll plant a seed there. And this part we don't need. Okay, could you please give me a shovel? No, Booba, that's a rake. Give me a shovel. Yes. Thank you. There we go.
Pour some soil into the pot.
Airplane. Wow. I think that's all. That's all we need. Give me some seeds. I need seeds. Yes. Thank you very much, Booba. 1 second. Look, 1 seed.
Place 1 seed into the soil and cover it with more soil.
Now we should put some more soil on the top. Give me a shovel. Thank you. Just like that. Right here a little bit. And right there. Great. And now we should water the plant.
That's right. Let's water it.
Thank you very much, Booba. Okay. I think right there. Yes. Yes, I think that's all we need. But wait, we don't have no sunlight here. What should we do? Oh, that's a great idea, Booba.
At home, you could place the pot somewhere with real sunlight, like a windowsill.
I think we need some more water. Like that. And a little bit of sun.
You'll need to be patient because flowers need time to grow.
Wow! A nice flower! Great job, Booba!
It's lots of fun growing flowers. Let's celebrate with a dance. See you next time, friends. Booba is waiting for his friend to arrive.
Booba, it's time for bed. You have to put on your pajamas. They're so cool. They have bananas on them, and mine have ducks.
That's one way of wearing your pajamas.
You're so silly. You're jumping like a bunny. But look how I can do. I can do a cartwheel. But now you have to put on your pajamas properly, like this. Get them off your head. Okay, now we're ready for bed. Good night, sleep tight, and don't eat lots of chocolate at night.
I think they've forgotten to do something.
Oh no, we forgot to brush teeth. You should always brush your teeth before bed.
If you don't know how to clean your teeth, Booba, maybe you should practice.
Booba, this is an example of our teeth. I will examine the instructions so that we know how to brush it properly.
It is very important that you brush your teeth properly.
Okay. I will take the pink toothbrush and you take this one.
Put a small amount of toothpaste on your brush. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes, making sure you brush your teeth all over. You can even brush your tongue if you want to.
Booba, don't stop brushing. Remember, we have to brush it for 2 minutes straight.
When you've finished, make sure you rinse your toothbrush so it's nice and clean for next time.
We did it!
Well done! Today we have learned how to clean our teeth. Let's celebrate with a dance! Booba is waiting for his friend to arrive. What's that, Booba? Oh, it's a magnifying glass.
Booba, there we go.
Here's Booba's friend.
Oh, my shoelaces have come undone. They're so annoying. You're so lucky you don't have shoelaces. Maybe. No, I don't know how to tie these. Do you know? Me neither. But I cannot run around with these shoelaces undone. Oh, I know. Maybe I should just take them off. Yeah, like that. I can run like a car. Oh, the ball. Like that. I'm a basketball player. Shoot, shoot. Shoot, shoot.
Does the shoe look bigger, Booba?
Safe. Oh, whoa, whoa. Wait, right there.
You should really wear your shoes or your feet will get cold.
My feet are getting cold right now. Oh, no, maybe I should just put all my shoes back on. Thank you, Booba.
That's a good idea.
Like that. But I still don't know how to tie my shoelaces.
It's easy when you know how. Why don't you practice?
Oh, is that your shoe? It's enormous. Wow. Booba, do you see any instructions? Oh, yeah. Okay. Let me see.
I don't think Booba wants to look at the instructions.
Silly Booba. Okay, now I know where to start. Let's do it properly. Here, and it goes under. Yeah, just like that. You take this lace, and I'll take the other one. Okay, let's start.
Take one lace in each hand. Cross them over each other to make an X. Take the bottom lace, pull it over the top lace and through the hole. Pull both laces tight to make a knot.
Okay, now we make bunny ears.
Hold each lace and make a loop on each side, like bunny ears. Cross one bunny ear over the other to make another X. Take the bottom bunny ear, pull it over the top bunny ear and through the hole. Pull the loops
like
tight
that.
to finish.
Whoa!
You did it!
Cool. Now I know how to do it. Okay, let's try. Like this, 2 bunnies. And we'll tie them
You've learned how to tie shoelaces.
Well done. Wow! Cool. You're right, Booba.
Well done. Time to celebrate. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.